Hey guys, Chris from Christos here. Check it out. So we had Ari, one of our new regulars, come in, and he's like, "Hey, I got something wrong with my truck. It's squeaky. It sounds like a Traxxas."
I'm a clown. I amuse you. I make you laugh.
We love you, Traxxas, but we always love when we get a 1-2 week old / 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and it sounds like the bed springs have been shot out of a 1930s. I don't even know anymore, but it's like sounds just so creaky. So I was like, oh, we got some creaking. Uh-oh, you know what we got? Dude, the arm has broken. It is, I don't know if you can see that, but I can see the suspension hinge pin, so it's cracked. So look at this, we got some RPM arms. Whoa. I'm gonna do a little song. It's the I don't know the words, right? So it's like, oh, okay. So we're gonna do a little quick vid. We're gonna put some arms on for you guys, and it's nice. All we need is a 2.5 mil. We're gonna use MIP. We're gonna use a power tool, a little 4-volt skill. This is finally getting retired, this drill. It is forever old. These MIP tools are great. So we're gonna throw on some arms and we're gonna get cracking. All right. Okay, guys, finished up this. Oh, shut up, you charger. So one thing we do here at the shop, a couple little things. One thing we like to do, and it can kind of get a little chaotic sometimes, is I always like to do these little jobs to help guys out. I shouldn't say it's a little job, it's a job, right? I like to do these jobs, and it's like 3 o'clock. I'm like, okay, come back for 4. And then we just get our booty holes kicked in for just an hour straight, and I'm like, God damn it! They're out there waiting, they're nice. So what I like to do, sorry I get off topic, is I like to throw their battery on charge. So this battery, I put 4,000 milliamp hour into it. Nice Gens Ace 3-cell hard case. And this is the new Arrma Vorteks for anybody who didn't catch it, okay? So I like to put the battery on charge. It's just a thing for you guys maybe running shops, or maybe looking to maybe do some home repairs for your buddies or whatever. Something about a freshly charged battery that's just nice, It's just good. So these RPM arms are basically just excellent. Oh, are these rotational? Oh yeah. Yeah, these Vortex tires are rotational. Hi, I'm an idiot. Hi. They're directional. So I think we got some of these on right. Let's see. Right. Yeah, I knew that for sure. You're like, Chris, you got lucky. Hell yeah. Put a little thread lock on the nuts there. We use this killer BSI thread lock. BSI. It's the best. Put it on your nuts and you're good, So these RPM arms are on. These arms go on really well. They're RPM. It's great. We're just waiting for someone to buy them and potentially maybe ruin their company. Just kidding. Hashtag, I don't want to get in trouble. Just won't say it. We like that RPM's doing their thing. Maybe do some Red Cat stuff, why don't you? So, yeah. We're going to, let's get the battery in here. These arms are great. You have to make sure the orientation is left or right, but essentially the front arms are interchangeable with each other. It's kind of cool the way they make their parts. You can flip them upside down, and it's very, what I'm saying is they're a well-engineered part that work extremely well, and they're straightforward to put on. This customer's paying us to do this job. This is Ari Ari found us on YouTube, and he's like, I gotta get something durable. And he liked the video of the Rustler 4x4 versus the Arrma Vorteks, this guy here. I guess we know which one he liked better. Good. So that's it. So Ari watched our video. He's like, I need the toughest. And I was like, well, you know, we have both. We love both. And then Volva's like, I have a Vortex 3S. And we're all like, uh-oh, there it is. The sale's been completed.
Well, then you're going to give me half the commission.
Okay, so we're good. Everything's good to go for this for Ari, okay? I was going to say this gentleman. He's a gentleman, I think. I don't know. So we're going to get that done. Look at that. I always throw just a couple in there just kind of keep the body on. And that's it. It's time to go home for us. I'm going to, and another little quick tidbit too is, you know what? Give your customers back, like for the guys around the shops out there, give your customers back the old stuff. It's kind of something I learned from working in an auto shop back in the day. Just give them all that stuff. Give them all the stickers. You know, there was some factory screws that we didn't end up needing because they changed the screws when we go to the RPM arms. And we just have a little Ziploc bag, these little mini ones we get from the dollar store. Put his hardware back, okay, and then it's good to go. That's it, guys. We got some RPM arms on it. It's good, it's good, it's good. Ready to go smash and bash. Okay, guys, have fun.